Okay, let's do an immune boosting smoothie. You should be able to find most of these ingredients at the grocery store because people are not buying a lot of this stuff up. So I have 2 small beets. So this is how small the beets are. Actually, I'm gonna do 1 more. I'm just gonna put it in there. So that's 3 beets. That's 1.5, I guess, or 1 large beet. I don't have any greens, so that's why I'm trying to do more beets. Okay. Next, organic cherry berry blend. There are dark sweet cherries, blueberries, blackberries. This is an antioxidant rich smoothie. It's very good for your immune system. Very good just in general. I have a video similar to this on my channel, only I think I was using like spinach and kale. If you have spinach and kale and you want to add that, that's awesome too. So a little bit of those. And then some blueberries. If you don't have organic, that's okay. Or organic stuff is not all the way organic anyway. You still have the pesticides and crap, but some antioxidants better than none. Next, I am using some bee pollen. This is Blue Ridge honey bee pollen, and this came from California. When I was there, I went to the farmer's market. Gonna sprinkle some of that. If you have any other supplements like spirulina, Corellia, any type of powder, anything will be helpful. If you want to put protein powder in this, that's cool too. This is all I want to put in here. Also gonna do a lime, half of a lime. I'm actually gonna go ahead and cut the green part off and keep some of the pith on. The pith is the white part that's actually has some health benefits. So doesn't have to be perfect. We are going to blend this up, and hopefully you have on hand a good blender. If you don't, stores are still open, like Target, they have it. So this light is not. Anyway, it's not perfect, but that's what it is. Next, let me get a towel. Next, I'm gonna do this Justin's honey, peanut butter. Use whatever you have. This is gonna help you absorb the vitamins and minerals in your smoothie, fat soluble vitamins. So this is like a half a tablespoon. And then I'm gonna use this cocoa almond cashew beverage as my liquid. And this light is like not allowing you to see. There, it's a little better. You can use water. You can use a nut milk that has no flavor. Whatever works for you. You just need a milk. I want mine to be like a chocolate cherry type vibe, so that's what we're using here. I ended up adding a frozen banana that I had in the freezer. And that's it.